stuff from Hobby Lobby and JoAnn's that I need to just do a haul video. There we go. This table is just a friggin' mess, but I'm just gonna get through it and bear with me because there are such good deals at JoAnn Fabrics and Hobby Lobby that I just went a little crazy. So let's start with Hobby Lobby. Let's just start with the little thing on the top. 79 cents for this beautiful little metal punched tag that I'm gonna use on a junk journal. So I thought that was a good deal. I go straight to clearance, by the way, all the time. Then I got a ton of picture frames, and one of them, they only charged me 40 cents when I came home and I looked at my receipt. This one, look at that. 5x7, $1.59. Can you see that? $1.59. Hang it on the wall. It's just, this is glass. So I got some frames. Here's another one for $1.59. Can't beat the prices. And this is the one, no, yeah, another one. Yeah, I bought 4 of them because they were such a good deal for $1.59. This one, when I came home and looked at the receipt, was supposed to be $1.40, but the guy, when I got home, the receipt said 40 cents. 40 cents for this baby. Again, this is glass. So, yay! Love that. Then I decided to try one of their paper packs. I've already been using this paper, that's why it's open. I got this paper pack for 79 cents. 50 sheets. And, I mean, look at it. Look at those llamas. Love it. And I got polka dots. It's just a blue. And the rainbows, I'm just like, eh. Smiley faces, I can figure out what to do with that. And they also had, oh yeah, maps for traveling. So 50 sheets, heck yeah. It's good paper. It's acid and lignin free. It's all by the Paper Studio. 8.5 by 11, you know, computer, you know, regular copy size paper, but it's thicker. Thicker. Oh yeah, polka dots too. So, good deal. Good deal. So glad I'm doing this video because then I can put everything away and organize. Because trust me, I should have done this video like a couple of weeks ago. Then I got 2 paper packs, and these normally go for, I believe, $10, so I got them for $5 each. And they include 10 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, stickers, all sorts of sticker sheets and embellishments. You can see right there. So this one is like for a traveler's notebook, which I'm starting to do that. I'm already almost finished with my current traveler's notebook. And this one is farmhouse kind of stuff. You got the 12 by 12 10 sheets, more sticker stuff, and the embellishments. So yeah, I thought that was awesome deal. Not done, not done. Then I went back yesterday and I got this cutest little mug. Look at that. It says, when life gives you scraps, you make a quilt. This was 50% off, so I got it for $3. Yay, $3 mug. Gotta like that. Oh, this would make a cute thumbnail. Excuse me while I do my thumbnail. This is how us YouTubers do thumbnails. No, I wouldn't post that. But maybe like, oh. All right, I'll be serious. I'll do a nice thumbnail. So, a mug. I know. Then I got this for 40% off, It's memory keepers. I don't have one of these. These are corner punches, but I really need this one right here to do little slots, half moon circles in paper. So corner punchers, or in the middle of a page to make like a little indent tab. 40% off, not 10 bucks. It was a great deal. Can't even get this at this price on Amazon. So yeah. Then I got these. I am going to start, I'm going to teach myself how to do the embossing. So I got this embossing ink. That was 40% off. And then they had this color for $1.74. It's called Fire. It looks like makeup. So yeah, $1.74. I'm gonna use a hair dryer and just take it carefully from the bottom. Try embossing, because I'm not ready to, you know, buy an embossing tool. They're expensive. And then I got these two inks for $1.24 each. One's like purple and the other was like a brown. So yeah, $1.24 for inks. I thought that was a really good deal. And the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby is this gesso, acrylic gesso. And this was 50% off, so it was $8 regular, so I got it for $4. And this is for junk journaling. A lot of people use gesso. I've been watching a lot of videos on applying gesso, when to use it, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna have fun with this. So that's Hobby Lobby. I love that store. I had to refrain from buying other things that I just refrained. Let's just put it that way. Then JoAnn's. I got these adorable sewing kits, which I will be putting in a future giveaway. I probably will keep one and give away the other. Definitely give away one. It says, if you need to talk, I will pretend to listen. This is their vintage simplicity line. And it says, are you seriously wearing that? So these were 40% off to begin with. And then they gave me another 40% on top of it. So this was, I don't think I have the receipt with me here. It was incredibly cheap. It was like $1 something per kit. I probably should have bought more because they're so darn adorable and I love tins. Then I got some more paper. I got to stop buying all this paper because, you know, why I say that is I'm finding paper all around me and stuff I would normally throw away. But this is a premium stack of paper. It has gold foil on it. And if I remember correctly, I paid 50% off, and I think this was $5 for the whole thing. I just remember it was like, I couldn't pass it up. It was very worth it. Everything I bought, by the way, was on sale. More stuff from the Simplicity line. This cost me like a total of 50 cents. It's these little appliques. Sewing machines, you know, the ladies in the dresses. You can use them for all sorts of crafting, either sewing or junk journaling. And I just thought it was too adorable, you know, to pass up. And there's 16 pieces of vintage stuff. Looks like it's really well made. Got some ribbon from the Simplicity Vintage collection as well. And it says pedal to the metal, and it's an old-fashioned sewing machine, pedal to the metal. How fun is that? I believe this only cost me like, I don't know, 80 cents, if that, 50 cents. And that is it from Simplicity. Oh, no. I got these vintage tags. There's 4 labels there to put on projects. Simplicity Vintage. Love it. So yeah, that was it for Simplicity Vintage. Then I bought some more stamping, and I got 2 of these. says $6.99. I'm already using one, but when they were like 75% off clearance, when I think I got it for like $1.24 each, so I got two. The other one I'm already using, and they're both dark maroon shimmer. And you know, this is pretty expensive Delicata. If you're into stamping and junk journaling, I'm sure you know this product. Then I got some little cards and envelopes, 12 pieces, craft paper type by Park Lane. This was 50 or 60% off as well, very cheap. And I bought these little tags as well. And there are 16 pieces in there. I think each one came out to like $1, if that. Two more things, and then I'm done, and I can organize and put everything away. I got more stamps. Originally $2.49. Again, they were like 50 or 60% off. Couldn't pass it up. I love butterflies. Those are going to be gorgeous. And yeah, more butterflies. Plus there's like a little snail and a dragonfly and a honeybee. So that's my JoAnn's haul. I think I got everything. And yeah, let me know what you think of the haul. I hope you have these stores by you because they're addicting, number one, and the prices are really good. They're not going to set you back a lot. And you can just create and have fun and build out your stash and not be, you know, in a subscription where it's a monthly payment, blah, 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 blah. You know, you just go. So let me know what you think, guys. I had a lot of fun shopping. I hope you had a lot of fun watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't done so already, give me a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And give me a comment below. I'd love to answer any questions you have about the products I bought or any questions you have for me about me. So yeah, have a great day. Bye.